Alright, so we're gonna do a quick video with some Modern Horizons 2 set boosters. Let's take a look. Art card and a shiny swamp. Captured by Lagax. Okay, shiny swamp. Tormod's Crypt Keeper. Okay, yep. Aquaman Mauser, Liveling Modular 1, white. Wow, that's cool for a cap deck or artifact. Tavern Scoundrel, whenever you win a coin flip, create 2 treasure tokens. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Slasher, Modular 4, Riot. Wow. That's pretty darn good. Artifact Land, nice. Foundry Helix. 4 damage to new targets. Artifact game for life 1. Okay. It's gonna have a lot of artifact stuff, I guess. Basic card, basic land card, shuffle, rebound. Interesting. Guy's Will. Till end of turn, you may play lands and cast spells from your graveyard. If a card will be put into your graveyard from anywhere this turn, exile that card instead. Okay. Oh, Vindicate. Cool. Oh, that's old school. Kinda neat. Jade Avenger. Wow. Bushido 2. Interesting. Disciple of the Sun. And just battlefield return to graveyard your hand. Okay. And that just looks like a. Okay. Interesting. Modern Horizons 2 is kind of neat. I don't really know what comes in the set, so it's going to be kind of a surprise to see almost anything. So let's see. That looks like some kind of angel. That's pretty neat, though. That is Glorious Enforcer. Okay. Swamp. Amoeba. Discard a card. Switch power to us. Okay. Ball Watcher. Just Battlefield Surveil 1. Delirium. Interesting. Nightmare Bird. Yeah, that's like a Innistrad thing. Unholy Heat. 2 damage to strike creature player. Delirium. Wow. Oh, Delirium's coming back. I think because Innistrad. Yes. Please have Innistrad come back. Yes, more Delirium. Aethersworn Sphinx. Affinity for artifacts. Okay, Flying Cascade. Interesting. Brainstone. Sacrifice Brainstone. Draw 3 cards. Put 2 cards from your hand on top of your library in any order. Interesting. Oh, Esper Sentinel. Sweet. Whenever an opponent casts their first non-creature spell, draw a card in less than X. X is his power. Nice. Oh, Dakin. Yes, Esper Sentinel and Dakin in one pack. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I think that's the extended art too. Wow. Wow, hell yeah. Hunting pack. Storm? Did I say Storm? I thought they were never going to reprint Storm. Mind Collapse if it's your turn. Sacrifice Mountain. That's cool. Old school red. What? What is with this pack right now? Hang on. Look at this. Liverbear, Dagon, Esper Sentinel, Mind Collapse. Huh. That's crazy. And a walking archive. Holy shit. That pack was on fire. Wow. I can only hope for more like that. Which one is this? Subtlety. Nice. Oh, I like that island. That's so cool. That's old school looking. That one's really nice. I think I'm gonna keep this. Steelfin whale. Wow. 4 artifacts. Untap. Lens flare affinity for artifacts. 5 turns target attack by creature. Okay. Target opponent is hexproof and indestructible. It's an artifact. It's 2. Wow, artifact theme on this one. Converge. Looks like. Okay. Sweep disguise. Converge. Spend the spent on it. Okay. Glinting creeper. Converge. Power 2 or less. Okay. Oh, inevitable betrayal. Nice. Drastic Tempest Roar. Cast 3 less to cast for each other spell cast this turn. Trample. Haste. Trample over planeswalkers. Has hexproof as long as it enters the battlefield this turn. So you can't insta-kill it. Wow. I think a green-white stompy deck might be in order. Gorilla Shaman. And creature artifact. Mana value. Okay. Whoa. I skipped a card, but whoa. Hang on. What's the other one? Arcvale Sinkari. Battlefield and one kind of. Wow. Old school Pyrrha the Volatile Elder Dragon. Whoa. Wow, that's so cool. I was hoping to get one of him, but I didn't think I'd actually get one out of one of these packs. Holy crap. I got Pyrrha. I got Dakin. Jesus Christ. Oh, and here's the first squirrel of the day. Let's see. Yep. Oh, that's nice. Is that a white dragon? Timeless dragon. Nice. White dragon's probably only in the D&D set. Swamp. Dark Moss Bridge. Nice. Keeper. I think this might be a squirrel pack. Yeah, Chitter Storm. I can't believe fucking Storm's back. Glorious Enforcer. Nice. Double strike until end of turn. Ooh. That's, I think, going in my Angel deck. That's pretty good. Restoration. Return target creature card from your graveyard to the battlefield with an additional 1/1 counter on it. Turn 2 card creatures. Okay. Young Necromancer. Enters the battlefield and may exile 2 cards from your graveyard. Okay. Archfiend of Sorrows. Enters the battlefield. Okay. Nice. Unearth. Ooh, that's pretty good. I think I might put that in my mono black, and I love that artwork too. It's really neat looking. Fractured Sanity. Whoa. Each opponent mills 14 cards. Oh my god. That's crazy. Another Vindicate. Wow. Oh, Old Border Violent Tumor. Enters battlefield, search your library for a card. Graveyard. Oh, interesting. It's like an entomb. Excuse me. Wonder. Wow. That might go in my blue deck too. Yeah. Wow. We've been getting some amazing cards in these packs so far. That one has a beast token. Oh wow, for the demon that we just got. Look at that. Oh, I really like that artwork, so I'm glad I got this one. Nice little island. Soul of Migration. Enters battlefield, create 2 1 birds. Evoke. Fairgrounds Patrol. Ornithoptera. Marble Gargoyle. Okay. Ornithopter of Paradise. Wow, that's great. Oh, that could actually be pretty useful in a couple of decks. Chrome Courier. Just battlefield. Okay. Esper Artifacts. Nice. So in the same pack we get the art card and the actual card. Nice. Another Violent Tumor. Sanctum Weaver. Add X mana of 1 color, where X is the number of enchantments you control. Nice. That's good for enchantments. Be good for my 5-color deck. Yeah, be my Elder. That's okay. Another Glimmer Bairn. Gouge Zealot. Delirium. Huh. Kind of funky. Kind of cool. Alright, so last pack. Let's see. Got another squirrel. Not for the art card. Some kind of squirrel thing. Squirrel Sanctuary. Another one of these islands. Bishano Lashclaw. Huh. It's kind of neat. Scophos Reaver. Madness. Wow, that's pretty good. Filigree Attendant Homunculus. More artifacts you control. Alright. Affinity for artifacts is back. Nice. Underworld Cookbook. Pretty good. Skyblade's Moon. Battlefield. Raving Visionary. Draw a card. Discard a card. Delirium. Okay. Mazatep Chancellor. Whenever you discard a card, you may pay. You do a mass too. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. Territorial Kavu, Domain, Toughness, discard a card, draw a card, exile 1 target card from a graveyard. Flame Rift, deals 4 damage to each player. Nice. Some commander stuff. Gargadon, Trample, Suspend 4. Wow. And Discerning Taste. The top 4 cards of your library, put them in your hand, put the rest in the graveyard. You get life equal to the greatest power of creatures in your graveyard. Huh. That might be good for my casserole deck. I'm not sure. Pretty good. Got some good stuff. Not too bad. Alright, bye-bye.